welcome back to another video. So today we are talking about candlestick drills. Guys, I love a candlestick. An athlete that has a good candlestick, man, most of their tumbling skills will be so beautiful, especially when the athlete realizes and knows when to hit the candlestick. Oh my gosh, bar drills, back walkovers, I mean, just beautiful, amazing skills. And I'm so excited to talk to you about these candlestick drills. So without further ado, let's go get into it. This candlestick drill, I love having my athletes hold on the wall. The wall will become your best friend when practicing candlestick drills until the athlete is able to hold the candlestick by themselves. I basically have the athlete scoot their little bottom all the way up to the wall, and we're gonna push their hips up. They can use their hands to assist if need be, and they're gonna put their feet on the wall. You don't want the foot to be completely flat. You want the athlete to go on their toes, which is going to help them point their toes in their candlestick. And we do candlestick wall holds for 10 seconds. Sometimes I make it fun and I make them sing their ABCs or spell their name. And we just hold our candlesticks on the wall, trying really hard not to use our hands to support our bottom. As far as the arms go, I always like the athlete to put their arms by their ears. The next candlestick drill that I like to do on the wall, of course, is candlestick leg lifts. Now, this is adding motion to the candlestick, which is gonna probably be difficult for the athlete, and they're gonna wanna poke their booty out. Make sure you're really enforcing and explaining to them why you need to push your hips to the ceiling. And when they lift their legs, you do not need a super big lift. You just wanna lift and stay tight and nice and controlled, and you are alternating each leg. The next drill on the wall is candlestick lifts. This is where they're going to poke their booty down and push their hips back up. I love candlestick lifts simply because it is telling the athlete what not to do versus what to do. So when the athlete pushes their bottom down, I love to say wrong, right, and then they push up to kind of help train their brains what is wrong when tumbling, which is sticking your bottom out, and what is right, which is pushing your hips up to the ceiling. So I love doing candlestick lifts against the wall a good 10 times with their bottoms going down and pushing back up. And the last drill that I love, guys, I can't express to you how much I love this drill, is candlestick taps. Now this drill is actually really difficult. It really is, because you want the athlete to tap their 2 feet off of the wall, squeezing, hitting the candlestick position, and coming back to the wall. You do not need to tap super big and hold the candlestick super long. You just want nice, tight baby taps on the wall. A lot of athletes are gonna wanna push off of 1 foot. Remind them you want 2 feet. So these are the candlestick drills that I love to do with my athletes. I love to incorporate all 5 of these in my lesson plans just to really help the athlete understand why it's important to hit the candlestick. And if you have any fun candlestick drills that you wanna share with me, please let me know, because it's one of my favorite body positions to hold. So you already know what to do. Like, share, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and I may catch you in my next video. Bye.